Hi, I'm Laura Mains, VP of Product at Matillion, and I'm here to talk about some of the exciting work we're doing in the data integration space. But before we get there, let's talk about the present. Think about how data operations typically work at all levels and all sizes of data teams. Multiple tools strung together with tenuous, brittle integrations. Technical, manual maintenance that requires time and coding expertise for even the simplest tasks. And processing limits that grind pipelines to a halt, leaving stakeholders to make decisions on incomplete data or worse, entirely on gut. As a data professional, this probably sounds all too familiar. And that's why we at Matillion set out to break the cycle. Introducing the Matillion Data Productivity Cloud, a new approach to data integration that's been built different from the ground up. But what do we mean when we say built different? Give me 7 minutes and I promise to blow your mind. Or, at the very least, show you how your data team can stop spending 30 hours a week on integration. It simplifies and automates data movement, bridges the skills gap for data transformation, and handles the scale and complexity of pipeline orchestration with ease. Underpinned by a unified platform that enables unlimited scale, users and projects. And it's so easy to get started. You can start an account and be in product building fully functional data pipelines in the time it takes you to watch this video. Let's take a closer look at how we accomplish this. It starts with Pipeline OS, the underlying infrastructure supporting data processing and management. At the core of our platform, Pipeline OS serves as the data plane, leveraging stateless microservice agents to execute pipelines for data movement and transformation at unlimited scale across infinite users and projects, letting you harness the full push-down architecture of your cloud data platform without losing control of costs. What's different about Matillion? Unlike other vendors who use monolithic agents that are always on and don't easily scale, Matillion's Pipeline OS automatically scales up and down containers. It also divides the required tasks across as many stateless containers as needed for the workloads. This saves time and resources while letting you work with the full power of the cloud. What's truly exciting about the Data Productivity Cloud is its flexible deployment options tailored to your needs. Customers asked for a full SaaS solution and we've delivered. With Matillion Data Productivity Cloud, we provide hassle-free deployment with a SaaS solution that can be launched and trialed in just a few minutes. This eliminates worries about infrastructure management and makes sure that scale doesn't come at the cost of security, governance, or data management. Alternatively, our hybrid SaaS deployment enables Matillion agents and our unique Pipeline OS to be deployed and managed within your own virtual private cloud. This can be used by customers with strict data sovereignty requirements. The choice is yours. Pipeline OS is the control center for you to build on and leverage the Data Productivity Cloud. Unmatched in the data integration space, Matillion Hub simplifies and streamlines the management of your data architecture. It gives you full transparency and lets you manage all aspects of your Matillion experience. Purchase credits, create new accounts, set up new data loading components, view usage, apply user rules, and more. One central feature of the Hub is the observability dashboard. It provides a single view into all data pipelines, offering complete transparency into the status and health of your pipelines, as well as your spend. It's a single pane of glass for the Matillion platform, letting you revisit pipeline history, monitor pipeline health, drill down into failures to quickly address and diagnose issues, and view real-time job execution and agents. The designer is purpose-built on Git, enabling both high-code and low-code users to collaborate on data loads and complex transformations, while utilising all features of GitHub to operate as a cohesive data team and break down silos. Full end-to-end orchestration gives you the ability to orchestrate DBT, Snowpark, Python, and more in one pipeline. And the designer includes built-in assertion testing to support data ops and DevOps best practices in pipeline builds and deployment. Now that you've seen the core elements powering Matillion's data productivity cloud, it's hard not to see how it's built different. Ultimately, we're empowering the entire data team, coders and non-coders alike, to move, transform and orchestrate data pipelines faster. With Matillion, teams can move data quickly to and from any source or cloud data platform, explore new data sources faster, lower the cost of data integration, utilize more skills across data teams, and speed up the time to value for data products. Transform data collaboratively with a low-code solution for data modeling and complex pipeline design. Data teams are able to easily collaborate to make data business-ready faster, uncovering new insights, making faster, more informed, more accurate decisions, and achieving a competitive advantage never before experienced. Finally, orchestrate pipelines easily to automate, scale, and simplify data pipeline execution. Ensure your data team has the tools it needs to scale without pressuring resources or compromising on security, governance, or data quality. Experience the data advantage with enhanced transparency, effortless collaboration, efficient cost management, and meticulous quality control. Foster a data-driven culture within your enterprise, empowering your team to scale data operations and spearhead success across the entire organization. Want to take the platform for a spin? Realize value in minutes. Sign up for a free trial at matillion.com today.